There's 7% of the population who think chocolate milk comes from brown cows. Hey world, Z-Fam! How are you guys doing in quarantine? I mean, it's not that bad, but it's pretty boring, my opinion. So yeah, in this video today we're going to be using these temporary tattoo markers that my parents found like a month or two ago. We've never used them since. Well, never even opened it. Except for a while. Anyway, so let's get on with the video. So I'm going to be doing freestyle, which is like my own designs. And then we have a how to draw on the side, which is a cockatoo. It seems pretty difficult. And then a dot to dot. And I already have it on my arm. Well, you can't really see it. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, let's get started. So, open the package. Okay, move this aside. Okay, so we have all these different colors. And now I mix them up. So there's black, there's like a gold brown, there's pink, red, green, purple, a dark blue, and a light blue. So there's no orange, yellow, that's it. So let's get started. That actually worked. So first design I'm going to do is something I've done a while ago, and I usually do it with a pen because, you know, don't really have these. So it's sort of just like a planet. So, okay, so let's begin. I tried to wash off this previous one. It didn't really work though. And then I'm gonna get a different color for the stars. There's my first one. I don't know if the stars look that good, but it is what it is. Okay, next one. Turn my hand over. Oh, let's see. Good. There. That looking Illuminati. Now that those two are done, let's move on to the... Oh, it's a cockatoo. A toucan cockatoo. Okay, what color should I use? I'm going to use bright blue. Light blue. Let's see if I can actually follow these instructions, because I mean it is a how-to drawing. So, yeah. Okay. I'm going to have to do this like sideways, because I can't really do it. Yeah. Okay, so it says start with the eye. The eye. Okay, the ring around the eye. Then the beak. Oh, that was bad. Okay, so here's what I have now. I don't know if you can see, it's like upside down.
Looks like a beak and an eye to me.
It is.
Well, keep going.
The beak is bad though. Okay. Then the smile thingy. There's the smile. Now the hair. Feather hair. Oh, I messed up on that. That looks bad. Looks very bad. Okay, now the line thingy. Cut the body, and then the other part of the body. Then the wing. And here's what I have now. It looks very bad, but that's just because of me. So do this. There, and then I can add the same thing, but I'm not going to. So that's the cockatoo. It's a cockatoo because it's also a toucan. The red. Okay. Oh, I should probably do the butt hairs too. Okay. I'm gonna do green for the bottom. These two are different. Two orange, I guess. There. There's the colored cockatoo. Still looks bad. Okay, let's move on to the dot. Okay, so I got the template. Well, my dad made templates for me to actually follow. Here are the two templates for me to follow. Now I can actually see what it is. So let's start. Okay, so I'm guessing this is one here. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. Man, that's like numbers. Okay, so one up here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, what's... Is this an extra? I think it's an extra. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm confused. 16. 23, 24, 25. What about these? It's 25 connect to 20. Is this 26?
No, those are separate.
Oh, okay. Okay, 25. Where's 26? Right here. Oops.
Once you get half of it, the other half is the same.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but... Okay, there's the body, and then I'm guessing this is like that. That. And then these are separate. Oh. One here, one here, here, here. And the eyes. There. About right. These are arms. Oh, here. And I'm guessing there. No. And I'll move this here. There! A robot, dude.
Now flip it over and see if you got it right. You ready? You ready? Dun, dun, dun.
Sort of. Now I'm going to color the robot. Okay. Purple I haven't used. So, do that. There are about 39 different colored buttons. Okay, the eyes are boom. I think I did that. And then another. I probably shouldn't have done that. That looks really weird. And then the antennas. I'll get dark blue. Up here. And then almost lost the cap to that one. This is black. Purple antenna. And I'm gonna say that's good. Okay, so I named my tattoos because, you know, every person would do that. Like, who wouldn't? So this is right here. This is Star Dude. Oh, hold on. I forgot to draw the most important things: legs and arms, and the hat. And because if you are a Gravity Falls fan, this right here is Bill Cipher. Cause, you know, why not? This dude is Bob. He looks like a Bob, I guess. This dude is Gerald. Yeah, Gerald the robot. So yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And now I have a tattooed arm. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye!